Welcome to White Hat Zone, the place for clean, white glove ethical trading education and structured social trading insight. Today we're explaining A-book versus B-book brokers in the simplest way possible, because this one topic alone changes how you see the entire Forex industry. So what is an A-book broker to begin with? Well, an A-book broker sends your trades directly to the real market. Your orders go through to liquidity providers and banks, and the broker earns a small fee for facilitating the trade. This means the broker isn't financially rewarded if you lose. You're trading against the real market, not your broker. So the difference here in a B-book broker is instead of sending your trades to the market, they hold them in-house. This means the broker can stand on the opposite side of your trades, and if you lose, they could profit. Not all B-books are bad, but the model itself has a built-in conflict of interest. So this matters because the type of broker you use impacts your execution, pricing, and trading fairness. A-book brokers offer transparency and real market conditions. B-books often add filters, delays, or internal risk checks because they're the counterparty. Knowing the difference protects you from nasty surprises. And at White Hat Zone, we focus on A-book environments because they're cleaner, more transparent, and far better suited for education and social trading. We want traders to operate with real pricing, real execution, and real market behavior, not behind-the-scenes manipulation or artificial fills. For social trading especially, A-book matters. When you follow a professional trader, you want your trades to mirror theirs accurately. A-book execution keeps the environment honest and consistent, so you're tracking the real market, not a broker's internal dealing desk. And if you want to understand Forex properly, learn brokers, and master social trading from the inside out, click the link below and access the White Hat Zone Learning Center for free. Trade smart, trade ethical, trade White Hat.